today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, roast sweet bread. Will it be made in bread machine or in a pan in the oven?
So, bread machine time again. So, in this bread machine, we have a half cup of water. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato juice. And mine was homemade. So to this, we're going to add 1 1/3 cup, 2/3 cups of bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, you can actually use all-purpose flour. Just an FYI. I've done it. So there's 1 cup. And now we need 2/3 cups.
You want a big car, a fancy house, a diamond ring on your spouse. You want the good life shiny and new, but what you gonna do?
1/3 cup.
Delight yourself in the Lord.
1/3 cup.
He gives you your heart's reward. A sugar rush, a wild scream. You think that glitter is truly gold, but that story's getting old.
In 3 hours and an hour of cooling, and we're going to slice it and have some red pepper bread.